Hey everyone, welcome to the next video of my Kafka series. So in this video I'll explain how we can install Kafka, how to start Zookeeper, how to start Kafka, and how we can create topic, and how we can publish the message to a topic, and how we can consume the message from topic. First of all, we have to understand how we can install the Kafka in our system. Go to the browser. So this is the site you can download from here. I have given the link in description section. You can download from there also. So there are different version is there, you can download from here. So do not download source code. So here this binary downloads is there, you can download this one. So I have already downloaded in my system, just cancel this one. And yeah, this is the Kafka, and this is the folder I have downloaded. After downloaded, you have to extract this folder. First of all, I have to share before running the Kafka, first we have to run the Zookeeper, because Zookeeper will maintain all these things, right? First we have to run the Zookeeper, then we'll run the Kafka. So go to this diagram. Here publisher will publish the message into the messaging system. Messaging system is nothing but Kafka, right? And the consumer will consume the message. So inside Kafka, like first we have to run the Zookeeper, and then we will run the Kafka server. Then after running the Kafka server, I have to publish the message into the messaging system, I mean Kafka. So where it will store? So first of all we have to create the topic. So let's say, so this is an topic. Here our message will be store. This is the topic. And whenever the publisher will publish the message, and the message will go to here inside topic, and the consumer will consumes the message from this topic. Okay, so this is the consumer will consume the message from the topic. But inside topic there are some partition is there, like this is one partition, this is one more partition, and this is one more partition, and there are different partition is there. Like we can create multiple partition inside topic, and the data or the our message will store inside this partition. Let's say this is partition 1, partition 1, and this is partition 2, and this is partition 3. So this is the process we can implement now. So first let's run how we can run Zookeeper. So this is the command you can run this one. So I'm just opening the terminal, or just go here in Kafka, and here we can open the terminal. So basically inside this Kafka folder, one bin folder is there. Inside this folder Zookeeper service start.sh file is there. I'll run this sh file. If you are using Windows machine, then inside Windows machine also same file is there, same bat file. So this is the Zookeeper start server start.bat file. So I am using Mac operating system, that's why I'll use this one. Okay, just go to here in terminal. So I'll paste this one. So this is the sh file inside bin folder, and this is the Zookeeper properties file which is available inside config properties. So if you go to here in config properties, then here Zookeeper.properties file is there. So similar kind of thing you have to pass. So here instead of bin slash this one, in your cases if you are using window, then bin slash window, then try this one. Okay, just run this one. Yeah, now my Zookeeper has started. Now I'll start the Kafka. So I'll go to the here, I'll create open one more terminal in the same folder. Here I'll run the Kafka, right? So this is the command, you can run this one. Okay, hit enter. Yeah, now Kafka has started, and the Kafka has started on which port number? This is, yeah, this is 9092. Okay, this 9092 port number Kafka has started. Now I have opened two terminal. So here I opened two terminal. So in one terminal I have run our Zookeeper, and in another terminal I have run the Kafka server. Now I'll open one more terminal here, and terminal, and here what I'll do, I'll create the topic. Now we have to understand how to create topic, because I said this image, like publisher will publish the message to the topic and consumer will consume the message from the topic. So before publishing the message, first we have to create the topic so that I can push or I can publish the message to here. Then how we can create the topic? So if you'll go here in inside Kafka in bin folder, something Kafka topics is there. So yeah, this one. So Kafka topics.ss, using this cell we can create the topic. So let's create the topic. So here just type bin slash Kafka hyphen topic dot sh. Then I have to create the topic, right? To create the topic, one property called hyphen hyphen create. So using this create, we can create the topic. After hyphen hyphen create, give one space, then uh, give some topic name, like let's say this is my log. So after creating the topic, we have to mention where our Kafka broker is running. I mean, where the Kafka server is running. Kafka server is running on 9092, right? So we have to use hyphen hyphen bootstrap hyphen server. Here we have to mention which port number it is running. So it is running on localhost colon 9092, right? So here I just inside topic there are three partition is there. We can create multiple partition, but in this picture I created three partition, right? So while we will creating the topic, we have to mention the partition also, how many partition we want. So I need suppose three partition, then hyphen hyphen partition 3. Then one more property we can use, like hyphen hyphen replication factor. So this is, let's say, 1. This replication factor says that like how many copies of our data we want. So this is the command we can create our topic. So just hit enter. Yeah, maybe it has some issue. What's the issue? So missing required argument topic. Okay, here instead of create my log, here we have to mention the topic also. Hyphen hyphen create, then hyphen hyphen topic. Okay, just hit enter. Yeah, now topic has created. So if you want to know like how many topics has created inside the Kafka, then we can use the command bin slash Kafka hyphen topics.sh. Then we have to mention hyphen hyphen list. It will list out all the Kafka topic. So it will list out all the topics inside the Kafka. Then we have to mention like where our Kafka server is running, right? Hyphen hyphen bootstrap server is running on localhost colon 9092. Okay, just hit enter. So this is the topic just now we created my log. So now topic has created, and inside topic partition also created. Now we have to publish the message and consumes the message. So who will publish the message? Publisher, right? So publisher can be anything. Publisher can be a Spring Boot application. Publisher can be a like your different Kafka, or publisher can be a database, anything. Similarly consumer also. So but here will use the Kafka publisher here. So I have already opened this two terminal. I will open one more terminal for publishing the message. So go to here and just new terminal at folder. So here I'll publish the message. To publish the message, we can use bin slash Kafka hyphen console. Okay, so this is producer. Yeah, producer.sh. Then space. So I'll produce the message, right? And I'll produce the message to which topic? My log topic. So we have to mention the topic name, then hyphen hyphen topic my log. Then we have to mention like where our Kafka server is running. So hyphen hyphen bootstrap hyphen server running on localhost colon 9092. That's it. Just hit enter. Okay, there is some problem. Bin slash Kafka console producer consumer hyphen hyphen topic minelog hyphen hyphen bootstrap. Okay, this is bootstrap, so we have to make it as strap bootstrap. So again, it's just clear the console. Okay, why again it is giving error localhost 9092. Okay, this is bootstrap, sorry, my bad. This is bootstrap server. Okay, yeah, now it is connected to producer application. So I'll produce the application here. Suppose my first log details. Okay, I just produce. So this message, this is one message I just produce now into Kafka topic here, and now I'll consume the message, right? So I'll open one more terminal and this will consumes the message. Don't confuse here because I just opened four terminal here. So this is, so one terminal I have run the Zookeeper, in one terminal I have run the Kafka server, in one terminal this is my publisher, publish, it will, he will publish the message, and this is my consumer, he will consume the message. To consume the message from the topic, the command is like bin slash, similarly Kafka uh, Kafka console, then consumer, yeah, consumer data sh, then hyphen hyphen topic. So from which topic I have to consumer, we have to mention. So hyphen hyphen topic my log, then hyphen hyphen bootstrap server is running on localhost colon 9092. Just hit enter. And here if I'll send something, let's say hello world, just hit enter, here it will come, yeah, hello world come. But if you see properly, observe here, I have sent my first log details message into Kafka topic, but here consumer will not consume. Why? So by default, when I'll run the consumer, then if the publisher will publish the message, the new message will consumes, but I want the old message also consumed by the consumer. So in that cases, what you will do, control C, just run the same command with, we have to use one property called hyphen 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 beginning from beginning. So it will read the message from the beginning of the topic. So just hit enter. Yeah, now it came my first log details and hello world. So this is my consumer, right? And this is my publisher. If I'll publish, this is second message, hit enter, the consumer will automatically consumes the message, right? So in this way we can configure the Kafka and we can publish the message to the Kafka topic, and the consumer will consume the message from the Kafka. So this is the overview of the Kafka. So in the next video actually I'll explain what is publisher, what is partition. In the first video I already said, like there are different terminologies there inside topic, like offset, partition. So I'll explain all these things. Then after explaining all these things, I'll create the Spring Boot application, how we can integrate our Kafka in Spring Boot application, and how we can publish the message to Kafka through the Spring Boot, and how we can consume the message from Kafka topic using the Spring Boot. I'll explain that also. So please stay tuned in my channel and subscribe if you not subscribed yet, and share more and more. Thank you everyone.